Based on the world's most accurate and versatile 3D printing technology, the Objet1000 is the system of choice for when you need large, full-scale prototypes with absolutely no compromise on detail or precision. Choose from more than 120 different materials, ranging from opaque shades to full transparency, and from rubber-like flexibility to ABS-grade engineering plastic performance. You can even print different material properties in the same model at the same time to achieve the true look and feel of your final product. The system is fast, efficient, and really easy to operate.